So our island hop continues. Antigua was our next stomping ground. Antigua and Barbuda, another twin island nation in the Caribbean with a population of just about 97,000. Antigua, famously known for 365 beaches, one for each day of the year. Too cool to be true, but it actually is true. Sun, sand, and friendly faces welcoming you with warm Caribbean hospitality. But its culinary delicacies have also put these little islands in the spotlight.
My name is Elvis. Go by the nickname Repee, representing Krave Kitchen. Welcome to Antigua. We're here cooking a national dish, which is fungee and conchs.
So what exactly is fungee?
The old folks, like our ancestors, they will get corn and they will put it to a grinder. Grind it just like this and you will get powder.
Today, grinded corn is readily available in the form of corn flour and cornmeal. And that is the base of this famous Antiguan dish.
It starts with the corn. Some people will just do it without soaking it, the corn in water. But I do it with soaking it, make it a little softer. It'll be easier for you to cook. I'm looking for a texture as in, when you have porridge, right? It's gonna get soft like that. And then after, when I add like garlic butter and stuff like that, it will bring it in.
Cooking fungee is a process. The cornmeal is cooked in liquid and stirred constantly until you achieve a smooth, thick consistency.
Water with okra. This is the okra. We boil the okra and then we add this. Every time it gets a little thick, we'll add this to it. Okra water. And this will bring it in. Bring it in. Bring it in. Flavors it and bring it in to perfection.
The secret to the fungee's flavor is okra water.
As it gets thick again, I add a little water to it again. Add a little okra water to it to flavor it, to bring it in soft. As I bring it in soft, see it's starting to get thick. That's how it's gonna look when it's done. As it gets thick, we just keep adding water, so we'll cook the corn. The water cooks it.
The dish is cooked with Antiguan love. Elvis did not stop stirring. You just can't rush it. You gotta take it slow. But making fungee definitely will give you a bit of a workout.
Yeah, you will get stronger if you know. Well, the girls love that too,
To get that smooth finish that Elvis is looking for, he has a secret weapon. A special wooden spoon called
a ton tick. Some will say ton. T-U-N, tick. That's what we call it.
The ton tick works its magic with some muscle.
This is how we do it now. See it here? Look.
And the smooth, silky texture is coming.
Ton, T-U-N, tick. T-I-C-K.
The final touch is some garlic butter for that extra creaminess.
When you finish eating this, you're coming back to Antigua. And you're gonna ask the Krave Kitchen. Own garlic bread, natural garlic bread, okay? But when you taste this, you're gonna come back to Antigua, trust me. You see how nice this looks? See that? See how that looks? Flavor in it. Smell it. When you taste it, it's gonna be wonderful.
And then Elvis adds the end of the okra water with all the okras.
You add the okra, then you do this. You turn it in. So you're gonna see this now. The okra will go into it. Nice, wonderful. Let's get into the end. This is the end part.
One final stir, and it's ready to serve. So this is just about ready to taste. Corn and cornmeal is a major staple across the Caribbean. It's used in so many dishes. Different Caribbean islands call it different things. In Trinidad, where I'm from, this is known as cuckoo. But in Antigua, this is a national dish, and it's called Fungee. Elvis had a simple but really cool technique of plating up this dish. A touch of oil in a bowl.
A little tip of oil. Move around, you put it in.
A couple spoonfuls of Fungee. And
we roll it. You call it roll. You roll it. We eat it with saltfish. You eat it with mackerel, red herring, and stuff like that. And conchs, fish, steamed fish and Fungee.
Today, he served it up with some delicious conch and topped with fried plantains.
That completes the meal. Fungee and conchs.
So I'm so happy we're in Antigua, beautiful island here in the sweet Caribbean. And I'm joined because we are on Soca on the Seas on Royal Caribbean. And Soca artist Jadel is joining me for the taste test of Antigua's national dish, Fungee.
Yes.
Fungee.
Fungee, right?
So Jadel also is out of Trinidad.
Yes.
And we know this as
cuckoo, actually. Because seeing what it is I saw there, the cornmeal, the okra, yeah, but it's still did differently. And I think we in Trinidad, we just put some coconut milk
That's right.
in it and some pimentos. You see some
yeah,
redness in it.
yeah,
so it's always a joy to sample different national foods. Yes.
Across the Caribbean
Definitely,
island. So let's taste this, Jadel. Let's taste. So let's go.
Well, nice.
Melt.
And that tastes the garlic butter in it.
Melt in your mouth.
Real good.
Melt in your mouth.
And the conch? Is it?
I'm still not getting over the Fungee is so good. It's so good.
Definitely.
Mm-hmm.
Melted.
Wow, that was so good. Thank you, Elvis, and thank you, Antigua.